Good morning and warm greetings to all of you. Thank you to the organization committee and all participants of the first International Transborder Conference on the Timor Island for this valuable opportunity. Ladies and gentlemen, introduce my name is Damian Manesi, representing the research team from the Mechanical Engineering Education Program, University of Nusa Cendana Kupang. In this research, I'm joined by Mr. Edi Suprapto, Mr. Seltiel Mau, Mr. Wilfried Bianome, and Mr. Emmanuel Nunai. Today, we pleased to present our research entitled Technological Literacy and Learning Innovation of Vocational High School Teachers in the Border Area of Belu Regency. This study was inspired by the growing need to address educational challenges in the border regions, especially in the context of rapid technological development and the demands of the digital era. Ladies and gentlemen, we know that vocational education plays a strategic role in producing skilled and work-ready graduates. However, its success depends heavily on the teacher's ability to deliver contextual, relevant, and innovation instruction. In remote borders area like Belu Regency, which share a boundary with Timor-Leste, vocational education still face complex challenges. While national education policies encourage the integration of the technological in teaching, the reality in these disadvantages or so-called 3T, frontier, outermost, and underdevelopment areas in far behind urban regions. Teachers in this area often struggle with limited infrastructure and a lack of access to professional training. So to understand this issue, we use the TPACK framework or TPACK framework, Technological Pedagogical Content Knowledge, which emphasizes the integration of three core teachers' competency: content mastery, pedagogical skill, and technological literacy. The synergy of these three domains, we believe that is essential for impactful learning. This study aims to answer two case questions. The first, to what extent are vocational high school teachers in Belu able to integrate technology into their teaching? And the second, what are the main challenges and opportunity they face in doing so? Ladies and gentlemen, to answer this question, we adopt a mixing method approach. We combine both quantitative and qualitative method to gain a rates and more comprehensive understanding. We select 100 teachers from 4 vocational high school in Belu Regency through purposive sampling, considering their specialization in technical subject and geographic representation. We use data collection involved two case instruments. The first, a closed-ended questionnaire using 5-point Likert scale to access technological literacy and teaching innovation practice. And the next, we use semi-structural interviews and classroom observation to get in-depth quality insight. We analyze the data using descriptive statistics like mean presentation for the quantitative part, and we use two thematic coding for qualitative date to identify key patterns and emerging themes. To ensure validity and reliability, we employ data triangulation, expert validation, and a reliability test using Cronbach's alpha, with showing strong internal consistency. Our findings reveal both promising progress and critical gaps. It the technological literacy vocational teachers in Belu show a moderately high level with an average score of 69.9%. They stronger are was digital information literacy, such as searching for the managing online resources. However, when it comes to practical application in the classroom, the majority of the teachers, 65%, we still operation in the substitution and augmented level of the SAR model. This means technology is used only to replace traditional tools without fundamental transformation. Statistic analysis show a moderate positive correlation. We have value of R, correlation value is 0.62 between technological literacy and teaching innovation capacity. In the other words, teachers with higher tech skill are more likely to use innovative teaching models. Nevertheless, there are several major obstacles. 79% of teachers cite unstable internet access. 66% lack ICT-based training. 52% experience limit school facilities, and 48% struggle with high administrative workload, which reduce the time they dedicate to innovation. Ladies and gentlemen, in conclusion, our study highlights that teachers in border regions are faced even more significant challenge in integrating technology into teaching than those in better resource area. Despite having moderate digital competencies, they are held back by structural and systematic barriers. The situation underscores the need for target intervention to bury the digital and pedagogical device. So we recommend that following application. The first, continues the practice-oriented ICT training for the vocational teachers, trial over to local needs and conditional. The second, investment in digital infrastructure, especially stable internet connection and access to technological device in school. And the next, supportive and flexible education policies that allow teachers to innovate without being underburdened by administrative duties. Through this effort, we believe we can bring real and lasting transformation to vocational education, not just in cities, but only in underserved border regions like Belu.